Hiya, I'm Gemma. So today we're going to be doing a little bit of plank variations, and it's going to take, I don't know, a little bit longer than 5 minutes, but you can do this anytime. You can do it as a little finisher or as a standalone by itself. So let's get into our first one. So I'm going to teach you how to get into the forearm plank. So we're going to bring ourselves down onto the mat, all the way down onto our belly. And I want you to bring your elbows directly underneath your shoulders, lift the shoulders away, and from here, it is tempting to bring the palms together. I want you to keep them in line with your elbows. From here, you're going to suck the belly button in and lift it away from the mat. Push yourself up onto your knees, creating a nice flat back. Curl your toes in underneath. Push one leg long and then the other leg long. And we're just going to hold it here for a few breaths. I'm starting to shake already. And then we're just going to take it down. And you can take yourself all the way out of that. Alright, we're going to add on to this next bit. So what I want you to do here, setup is exactly the same. Elbows underneath the shoulders, belly button pulls in, push the floor away, push yourself up onto your knees, extend one leg long and then the other, and then from here you're going to slide forward and then push your heels back. So slide onto your toes and then push back. Keep breathing. Let's do 2 more. Release one knee and then the other, and then take yourself all the way down. Alright, so our next little bit of work is going to be on our forearm. So we're starting off quite easy, but we're going to move these moves up. We're going to progress the moves. Right, so elbow is directly underneath the shoulder. We're lifting this low waist away from the floor. Your heels are going to be in line with your bum. And from here, we're going to go into a little bit of a side bend. So I want you to lift your hips up, keeping everything in nice alignment. We're going to add the arm in. So we lift up and tap back down, lifting up. And last one, hold it up. You can bring your hand back down to your hip, keep your heels together and then open out that top leg for a little bit of a climb. And last one, tap back down. We're going to lift ourselves up, take a little side bend over to the side, and then we'll go to the other side. So scoot yourself around. Elbow directly underneath the shoulder like before, heels in line with your bum. Lifting this low waist away, and then from here, inhale, exhale, lift. Add the arm in if you want. And last one. Okay, take the arm back down to the hip and then heels together, open out into climb. And bring it all the way back down. Okay, we're going to bring ourselves up into a seated position and then lift it up and over for a little side bend here. Opening out that side of the body. From here, you're going to turn around. You're going to sit up nice and tall. I want you to bring your hands behind you and have your fingers facing in towards your bum. Okay, from here, shoulders are nice and back, so don't let them hunch in. And then open out your chest. From here, you're going to lift your hips up, squeezing at the top, and then tapping back down. So we're just going to do 4 of these. If this is enough of a challenge, we're going to keep it here, but this next round of movements are all going to be the progressively harder versions. Okay, and tap back down. Alright, so from here, we're going to go into an all fours position. So, just make sure that these first 2 knuckles are in good contact with the floor. Okay, fingertips are nice and wide, pads of the fingers pressing into the floor. Okay, nice open chest. Okay, from here, I want you to curl the toes in underneath and then step one leg back. Curl your tailbone in underneath you, and then from here, step back with the other leg. Make sure your hips haven't piped up, so they're nice and in alignment here. Okay, from here, we're just going to slide forward and back, just like we did whenever we were in our plank earlier. From here, I want you to step your feet a little bit wider. Okay, we're going to rotate, bending our knees and bringing your hip to the back corner of your mat, and then take it forward again. So take the hips back and forward. Send those hips back, getting that good rotation in. This is hard. And last one, take one knee down at a time. Shake out your wrists if you need to. And then from here, we're going to bring ourselves down, plant the hand onto the floor. One leg goes in front, top leg goes in front. And then from here, we're going to lift ourselves up into a side bend. So we're going to lift up and tap back down. Lift up and tap down. And last one. Hold it, and take it down. Let's do it on the other side. Woo! Shoulders are starting to give out now. So, hand plants down into the floor, top leg goes in front, bottom leg in behind. And this is my bad side, so let's see if I can do it. Okay, and we lift up and bring it down. And last one, hold it, push the floor away, that's it, and bring it all the way down. Okay, from here, we're ready to do our full version of our leg pull supine. So, we're going to sit up nice and tall, hands, fingertips facing in towards the hips, chest is nice and open, and then heels together, press the heels into the floor, and then from here, lift all the way up and down. We're just going to do 2 more like this, and then last one, pushing it up, and then hold it. From here, lift one leg up and tap down. Go to the other side. Ooh, shaking. And last one each way. And bring it down. And we're done. So, if you made it all the way through that, well done. If you didn't, just do the modified versions 2 times around. Hope you enjoyed that. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.